Okay, ang ganda dito. Ang saya. Very, very good. Ito kami maglalaro ni Andy. VIP ang datingan. So they have snacks for us. And this is what I bought. I'm gonna try it later.
Yes.
Oh, yun na yung bola.
Wow!
Ah,
Kapag talaga naka-amateur kayo, mas may excite kayo dyan. Grabe! Bale, dito
ang
po,
saya.
60 meters po.
700,000, ibibili na ako.
Basta try natin to mamaya. And I have chocolate Oreo. Galing!
Fairway. Fairway.
Eyes on the ball.
Outside na ako, Andy!
Rough. Ready.
Ayan.
Yan pala eh.
Yun!
Yay! Nandun na ako.
Rough.
Rough ulit.
Ikaw pinapalakpakan ko, Andy.
Siyempre, hindi mo pa pala.
Parang gumagaling na ako eh.
Kung kaya naman ng memory eh. Why not? Oh, yun! Ang cute mo.
Fairway.
Kahit mo. Ito laging perfect shot to si Andy. Iba din. Wala, doon ka na.
Fairway. Ready. Fairway.
The ball lang. Eyes on the ball.
Bunker. Rough.
Ay, shit!
Rough. Ready.
Hirap.
Bunker.
Yan. Oh, nandun ka na sa green.
Rough.
Tapos ganun lang. Half lang, maliit lang.
Double par. Rough.
Score na.
Natalo ako.
No, pababaan ng score.
Ay. Mali pala ako. Akala ko nanalo.
Okay.
Slowly.
Ito yung pagkain namin. This is pork
Katsudon.
katsudon. And Andy is chicken katsudon. Here's Andy's chicken katsudon.
Ano to? This
Yung
is...
miso.
Miss, oo, inumin ko to.
Tapos I have this. Ang liit nito, baby, for 300 something, ha? Matcha tiramisu.
Yeah.
Mamaya, titikman natin. May kasama akong birthday celebrant. So, this is the soup.
Pala. Masarap pala pag premium.
Masarap pala yung, yung soup kapag mamahaling Japanese restaurant. Parang yung sa nun, lasang,
Ito yung
yeah.
Kaya kakainin ko lahat kasi ako eh. Meron pang pagano.
Okay, this is mine. Pork katsudon.
This is my...
Oh, you have lime pa. Hirap pa yung maganyan pala.
So far, I'm good with the challenge to be kind and to be patient today while my hair is let down. Ganun talaga, pag nakaganito yung hair ko, medyo talagang patient ako and kind.
Okay, let's taste this.
Sarap.
Alam mo kung ano yung nagpa sa akin? The rice. I love the Japanese rice, Andy. Try my rice. So the pork is so tender. It's not dry. Very good. And the rice is so good. Gustong-gusto ko talaga Japanese rice. How was it? You like the rice? Ano lang, saglit lang dapat. Tapos laro, tapos mamaya ulit kakain. Hindi naman kakainin na ito lahat. Maya-maya ulit.
Okay.
Kahit 2 subo lang ako. Tapos lalaro ulit ako. I mean, pwede naman kumain kada...
Hindi, ubusin ko naman.
Ayoko hindi. Kasi mabubusog ako eh. Ayoko maglaro ng busog.
Concede double bogey. Double bogey.
This is the best player. MVP for today. Pakalakas po niyang humampas. Humampas ba tawag doon? Grabe, ang lakas. Ang layo po ng narating ni Andy. Dan.
Fairway.
Ay, sobrang lakas naman ng pating na yun.